Runs good. Well, everybody may as well see it now.
It fell down through the headers there.
Hey!
Hey!
This is going on YouTube, by the way.
You know I know you're gay? I think my car's gay and it's fucking awesome.
Yeah. Fire it up.
I don't have a fuel tank, eh?
Runs good.
Fuck off.
What are you trying to start it on? Just a dream or what?
Ready to kill the fucking battery. I don't got no fuel. I have nothing to put the fuel in. You got a jerry can?